Welcome to Phase 1 Elite Singing Techniques. This program is pretty straightforward, but I'm going to give you a few tips on how to get the most out of it. For one, it's sequential. You can just go straight through lessons 1 through 10. But sections 11, 12, and 13 offer daily warm-ups based on your voice type. So that's good to do every day, hence daily. If you're uncertain of your voice type, please post a vocal clip, audio, or video, a cappella preferably, without any kind of sound effects or anything like that, and either myself or one of the associate A-Approach instructors will help to guide you on which program you should be using, which warm-up you should be using. Also, while you can start with lessons 1 through 10 and just go in order, if you feel like you particularly have issues with your breathing, which is a common complaint, feel free to start with section 14, which is a bonus section on training the diaphragm. Your breath really is the fuel supply of your voice. There's nothing wrong with kind of starting backwards if you choose, or you can just start from 1 through 10. If all of this sounds a little confusing to you and you don't know whether you want to go 1 through 10 or start with section 14, then you can post a question in the forums, or you post a video, an audio or video clip in the forums of you singing a song. Again, we prefer a cappella, we prefer no sound effects, and we'll guide you. We might tell you to skip a lesson or two and go to a lesson that hones in on your specific issue right now, because everyone is different. The course is built to serve the vast majority of singers in the best way. But one awesome element of this program is that we can help you to hone in on the issues that you have and the techniques that will best serve you most immediately. Again, warm-ups are every day before you do your lesson, or after, I guess, as long as you get them in at some point. And you can go 1 through 10, or you can start with section 14. When in doubt, post a video or audio clip. Please don't be too worried about people seeing. We're very supportive. Any criticism that we will offer is purely constructive. We have no desire to tear you down in any way. We only want to help and build you up. So we need to hear the problems. We need to hear the cracks. We need to hear the straining. This is not an audition. You do not have to impress us. Show us what you've got and we'll get you even further. And with that being said, happy singing, and I'll see you around.